Just listen to me. Sania purchased 9 kilogram 110 gram wheat. Okay, look, and 825 gram of tea. Okay, and 7 kilogram 450 gram of rice. These three. What is the total weight of item she purchased? Basically, when it is asked total weight of purchase, suppose you went to a shop, okay, then you purchase this one weight, this kilogram, this gram tea, and this gram rice. Then total weight, it is very much simple. Now, normal addition, just we have to do normal addition because in the question even it is given. Find the total weight. Achha, no need to write the question. Mark 46. Before that, you put the CW and date though. Date CW 46. No need to write this question. Don't copy the question. The answer, look, wait of write the statement properly. You can write your own statement also, but the meaning must be same. Okay. Weight of weight is weight is this. T weight of T is this gram. Acha, just write it in a proper way. Kilogram, kilogram, maintain this order, gram, gram. Okay. In the same way, when you will add gram, gram, you will add, then which will be carry forward, that will be go to kilogram place. Then again, you have to add this kilogram. Okay. I am clearing. Look. Normal, this one. Look. 5, this one will be 5. Okay, then 1, 2 and 5, that means 8 if we add them. After that, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4. Okay, 13. 3 carry 1 over there. Now just normal add. I'm clearing the board. Write the answer. Smith Manna doing go. Okay. Do it first. Write the statement properly. Achha, don't write the question. Don't copy the question. Just 46 and this answer. Just normal addition. Again, I am showing you the addition. Look. Again, I am making you understand the addition. Those who have completed, they will also listen. Huh? Look, only there is 5 plus 0 plus 0. 5. Now 5 plus 2. 7 plus 1. 8. No carry digit, carry forward digit over there. Now 1 plus 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? 3 carry. 1 is carry forward. Okay. 1 carried over there. Now 7 plus 9 plus 1. Okay. At first, after 7, count 9 places, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus this 1, 17. Now put the unit properly. Kilogram, kilogram, gram, gram. Okay. Done to? If this one is completed, then show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, good. Arya Halda, write first. Sampurna, Abhinandan, completed? Acha, okay, right. Okay, Adrija, Sampurna completed. Write first, those who have not completed. Acha, don't copy the question, huh? Don't copy this question, okay? Just answer. Acha, good. Okay. Shaptaparna, Sharanya, Aratrika, completed? No, Aratrika. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, Sharanya completed. Ha, Shaptapanna, I have seen. Write fast. Those who have not completed, Abhinandan, write fast. Rashmita completed. Okay. Acha, let me wait for the others also. Okay. Those who have not completed, write fast. Acha, just shake your head if you have understood. Understood, though? Yes or no? Understood? Acha, okay. Rich Chakrabarti not understood. Acha, okay. Again, I am making you understand. Look. Acha, Sania purchased this kilogram of wheat, right? Right? Suppose you went to a shop, okay? Suppose you purchased 17 kilogram of rice. Okay, I am not going for this sum. Just look, listen to me. And you purchased wheat for 10 kilogram. Okay, and you purchased some pens and chocolate. Okay, the weight of chocolate and pen is 5 kilogram. Read clear though? Achha, now if I ask you the total weight, you purchased all the things, what will be the total weight? What to do? Just normal addition now. Suppose you purchased 6 chocolates. Then again you purchased 7 chocolates. Then 10. How many chocolates do you have? What to do? Add. Yes? Okay, now it is clear. The same thing, look at this. Wheat, tea and rice. It is given, find the total weight of all the items. Total weight, that means we have to just add to find the total. Now is it clear? Okay, good, very good. When, listen, all of you listen. When it is good, it will say that find the total. Okay, that means add. And when it is say that left or remaining, that means subtraction. Clear too? Just write, note it down. Acha, Aninda, Abhinava, done to? Okay, good. Sherin Shaiva, Adrita Khandra completed. Aryan Molla. I'll move for the next one. Priyam, I'll move. Acha, no, it is saying no. Okay, I am waiting. Don't write the question. Huh? Don't write the question. Just write the answer. Clear to it? Okay. Completed it? No, acha. Tanvir Islam completed. Okay, good, very good. Sharanya completed. Okay. Now I'm moving for the next one, okay? All of you completed, Tom? Acharit, I'm moving for the next one, huh? Look at this. Wait. Read, if you have not completed, then write fast, huh? It is in the screen, or it is on the screen also. Acha, now, sum number 47, okay? Just I am covering the answer. It is also same, look. It is given, Joy filled the tank of his car with petrol, okay? The tank of the car with petrol, okay? He filled 7 liter, 750 milliliter petrol on Saturday. Look, 7 on Saturday, how much he filled? 7 liter, 750 milliliter, okay? Acha. And on Sunday, how much he filled? liter, 450 milliliter. Okay. Find the total quantity of the petrol filled. It is also asked total. The same thing. Look at this. On Saturday, he filled 7 liter, 750 milliliter. Okay. Acha, on Sunday, he filled 4 liter, 450 milliliter. That means total filled. How much he filled in the both days? In these 2 days. What to do? Total, we have to just add them. Is it clear to all of you? Read clear? Taskin Alam and read. Read, if it is clear to you, just shake your head. Acha, acha. Okay, Riskin is, okay, good. Now just solve it. It is normal addition. Okay, I am just covering the answers. Be careful. Milliliter, milliliter and liter, liter. Okay, look, I am solving it over there. 7 liter, 750 milliliter, and 4 liter, 450 milliliter. Okay, just normal addition. Look at this. 0, 0, it will be 0. 5 plus 5, 10. It will be 10. 0 will put over there and 1 is carried over there. Right? Now 7 plus 4. It is 11 plus this 1. That means 12. We have to put this 2 here and 1 carried over there. Clear to all of you? Clear to? Okay. Achha. 7 plus 4 again 11 plus this 1. It is 12. Now how to put the unit? In place of liter, you will put liter. Here it is milliliter, you will put milliliter. Clear? I'm clearing the screen. No need to write the question. Look the statement. Joy filled petrol on Saturday. This. He filled petrol on Sunday. This. Okay. Then total quantity of petrol he filled. Acha, this one is liter, huh? Okay, not L or not I. This one milliliter. Put the unit also. This one liter, this one milliliter. Write it fast. Completed. Prakriti completed. Audrija, Sampurna. Okay. Sampurna not completed. Okay, I'm waiting. Complete it. Okay, I have seen Audrija. Okay. Abhinandan, done. Sampurna, write it, huh? I am waiting. Abhinandan, are you writing? Just tell me yes, I can understand. I can read the leaf. Just say yes. Yes, okay. Yes, Shaptaparna, done. Okay, good. Sharanna, complete it first. I am waiting, huh? Complete it, all of you. Tafim Jania, Serin Saiba, Priya Malik. Acha, Sheikh Sajad Al Habib, done. Okay, good. Taskin, turn on your video and say that you have completed or not. Nalatrika, I have seen. Okay. Gaurav Bhattacharya, Arhad Islam, Chandrima Ghosh, turn on your video. Okay, Arhad Islam, understood, Tom? Chandrima, understood? Okay, okay, good. I'll move for the next question. Will I move for the next one? No, no, no. Acha, acha. Okay. Right first. Avinandan writing. Avinandan Jana. Written. Okay, good. Shampurna. Okay, done. Adil Mulla. What are you doing, Adil? Completed. Okay. Okay, I'm moving for the next one. Huh? Aryan Mulla done to? Okay, good. I'm moving for the next question. Look at this. Number 48. Look. Mark 48. Okay. I'm covering what to do and the answer. Look, it is given. Acha, one thing. The left remaining these words means subtraction. Already I explained. Now just listen to me. I am reading the question. Huh? Rohit bought 18 meter 50 centimeter cloth. How much cloth bought? 18 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. Acha. And he used 16 meter 89 centimeter of it. Out of this, he used 16 meter 89 centimeter. Clear? Now, find the length of the cloth left. How much is remaining? How much how quantity, which portion is left? Is it clear? That means suppose I am going through chocolate, then you will understand it very well. Suppose I bought 51 chocolates, okay? And I ate 41. Okay, then how much is left with me? How many chocolates are there left? What to do? Normal subtraction, the same concept, na? Again, I am explaining. Look, Rohit bought this much cloth, 18 meter, 50 centimeter, okay? And he used means already it has been used. Suppose he made a shirt or t-shirt, okay? It has been already used. That used quantity is 16 meter, 89 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the remaining quantity? Okay. Left with him. The cloth left, normal subtraction, this one. Put the unit properly. Okay. Now, look at this answer. Acha, just shake your head if you have understood. Understood? Ahornish, Arya Haldar, just shake your head. Okay, okay. Farid Khatun, understood or not? Ah, okay, good. Adil Mullah writing. Where is Reet? Let me check. Reet, this one understood? Okay, good. Taskin, understood, Tom? Achha, good. Tanvir Islam, you are writing or playing? I can see you properly, huh? Writing completed, you have written. That's why you are playing. Just check the answer. Here the answer is given, so check it. Achha, again I am explaining the subtraction also. Look. 18 meter, 50 centimeter, and 16 meter, 89 centimeter. It is borrowing subtraction, huh? Look, here it is 9, it is 0. So we have to consider this 10. Yes. Achha, I am explaining this here, huh? This page is clear. Look, 18 meter, 50 centimeter, and this is 16 meter, 89 centimeter. Now look at this. It is 0. We have to consider this as 10. Now 9. After 9, count up to 10. It will be 1. Okay, as we borrowed 1, so 5 will become 4. Okay. Now again 8 is greater than 4. So again we have to make this 14 greater 1. We will take this 1 from this. This 8 will become 7. Now just count. Come to this portion. Wait. There is a little bit problem. Okay. Come to this portion. 4, 14 we have considered. After 8 we have to count till 14. Yes, Tom. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It will be 6. Okay. Now after 6 we will count till 7. It is 1. Okay. As 1 minus 1, this one will be 0. The subtraction is clear to all of you. You have completed? Aratrika completed? Achha, all of you completed? Chandrima Ghosh, Adrija Mukherjee. Okay, okay. Achha, Adil Molla completed? Okay, good. Now I am moving for the next one, huh? 49. You have to complete this pattern. 49, you have to complete the pattern. Look at the first figure, huh? Acha, there is a one stand. It is common for all the figure, huh? Now look, here only we have drawn one triangle in this, right? Look at this, it is only drawn. Suppose this one is the stand. Look at the figure. You will do it in your book, huh? Do it in your book. In your book, okay, by pencil. Look, only this portion is given over there. Acha, now come to the next figure. One more this type of triangle came to this right side in the second figure. Look, in the third figure we have had another triangle. Look, above this first triangle, like this way. Yes, Tom. So in the fourth, again we have drawn this in this right side. Then look at this. So in the fifth figure, we have to draw one more triangle. Look, above this second one in this way. Yes, in the next figure it will be in this side. Yes, Tom. In this way we are moving. Look at this. Suppose this is the stand. Okay. First we are making this triangle, one side, next side. Again one side, next side. One side, next side. Left, right. Left, right. We are moving in this way. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, Tom. Sharanya clear? Avinandan Jana clear? Acha, okay. Again I am explaining. Suppose I am just taking a stick or stand over there. Look, first we are making this. Suppose like flag. We are making this. Okay, this is first step, this is second. Third, again we are making here left side, then same thing in the right side. Okay, then again same thing left side, same thing right side, same thing left side, same thing right side, left, right. Clear? Just we have to complete this pattern. Okay, now look at the answer. Here it will be, look, 4 is over there. Acha, I am just, wait, zoom out this. Look at this next one. Okay, next one will be only single. One left side part. Okay, then the right side complete. Completed this. Completed this too, all of you? Yes. Now the third one, complete. Okay. Next one will be, just complete first. Up to this, all of you completed. Read completed. Okay, good. Farid Khatun, Priyam Malik, Sherin Shaiba completed. Arad, Tanvir. Okay. Aratrika, right first. Adrija, Taskin, Anindya, Avinav were done. Okay, Taskin. Taskin Alam, done. I am moving for the next one, okay? Adrika Khandra and Aratrika, done to? Adil Mulla, Aryan Mulla. Okay. Prashmita, do the next one. Okay. Shaptapanna, do it first. Now these three, now the next. These two, right? Do it fast. All of you are completing this. Do it fast. Okay. Just look at this. The last two. I have to show it. I need to show it or you have completed. There is a problem. That's why here 3 is completed. Yes. And do this one. You are doing in your book too. Bas done. All of you. Kashmita. Okay. Smithman, okay. All of you show me your copy. At first copy, then book. First copy, then book.